Look, Anna.
We are open.
The sea is so blue.
I want every table to be shiny. No more sand. Don't worry, Dad. I can help you with the plates.
Peter, put the menus in the center, please.
Okay. Good job. 1 fork and 1 knife. Everything is ready.
Fresh food for a fresh day. Listen to the water.
Wow, Mom. These lemon slices look like little suns.
The floor is very clean now. Let's work.
Fresh basil. It smells like summer.
The doors are open. Welcome, everyone.
Mom, look. The oil is dancing. Is it hot? Yes, Anna. Listen. It is sizzling now.
A little salt. And a lot of love.
Achoo. This pepper is very spicy, Mom. Fresh lime makes the fish taste great. It looks like a bubbling volcano. Yummy!
Watch out! The veggies are getting hot. The food must look beautiful, Peter.
Honey sauce. It looks so sweet. Is that cold juice for a guest, Dad?
Yes, it is, buddy. Yes. 1 cherry to make it sweeter.
Whisk, whisk, making a fluffy yellow cloud.
Whoa! You are a kitchen magician, Mom.
So, 2 lobster soups and 1 juice? Would you like some fresh bread, sir?
Welcome. Here is our menu. Everything is yummy.
Oh, thank you. You are a great helper.
Hello. Here is your fish. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you. It smells like the ocean.
Hot soup coming through. Clear the way.
Yes, please. You are a very kind waiter.
Payment successful. Thank you. Have a nice day. Look at all those happy faces. Great job, kids.
I am a little tired, but I am happy. I am a super cleaner, Dad. Look at me.
A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. All done.
The sun is setting. Time to clean up. Let's turn off the lights and have dinner.
Pasta is yummy when we eat together. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.